So this is, you're telling that this is water jug, right? Or this is glass mug. Okay, please wait a minute. If this is a glass mug, I'm sharing you another thing also. Yes, what is this now? Please respond through the chat box. What is this now? What is this today in front of you? What is there on your screen? Okay, a bottle. This is the Bisleri bottle, right? So this Bisleri bottle, we can see this mostly on the, when we travel through the railway, by bus, this way, while traveling, we see such kinds of water bottles on the shops, right? So in summer season, when we feel thirsty, that time we purchase these bottles, right? So if you have observed these bottles before, not now, if you have observed these bottles before, then you must have observed that on the water bottle, it is written that 1 liter. It is written that 1 liter. See here, you can see a liter, 1 L it is written. That means what? 1 liter. Okay. So can you tell me what is the meaning of this 1 L? This 1 L. What is the meaning of this 1 L? Okay, so Anush said 1 liter. 1 liter. Mehak also said 1 liter. Absolutely right, children. So the meaning of this L, or meaning of this 1 L, that means 1 liter. That is 1 liter. But what is 1 liter, children, exactly? What is 1 liter exactly? Can you tell me what is 1 liter exactly? Why it is written 1 liter only? Why it is not written 2 liter? Yes, please respond to the chat box. Why it is written 1 liter only? Why it is written 1 liter only? Why it is not written 2 liter, 3 liter, 4 liter? Yes, can you respond through the chat box? Please respond to the chat box, children. Why it is written 1 only? Why I have not written 2? Tanushri said because bottle is of 1 liter. Okay, absolutely, Tanushri, very nice. Because why it is written 1 only? Because the capacity of this water bottle to hold water, the capacity of this water bottle to hold water, it is only 1 liter. It is only 1 liter. That is why on the water bottle, on this Bisleri bottle, it is written 1 L. Getting my point, children? अगर आप 1 लीटर से ऊपर अगर उसमें पानी डालना चाहेंगे, अगर आप 1 लीटर से ज्यादा पानी अगर उसमें डालना चाहेंगे, तो उस वाटर बॉटल में बैठने वाला है क्या वो पानी उतना? Can you tell me? If you are pouring more water than 1 liter, will it fit into the water bottle? Answer my question. Okay, so most of the answers are getting no. Okay, very nice. I want to respond from everyone. So you are telling that according to you, अगर हम 1 लीटर से ज्यादा अगर उसमें पानी बिठाना चाहेंगे, तो वो पानी उसमें नहीं बैठेगा. तो क्या होगा? What will happen? What will happen, children? What will happen if you're pouring more water in, more than 1 liter water in the water bottle? What will happen? Please respond to the chat box. What will happen? Respond to the chat box. Yes, absolutely, Tanushri. Very nice. It will overflow. Very nice. Water will be outside. Very nice, student. What will happen if you are pouring more water than 1 liter? The water will be overflow. The water will be come out of the water bottle. और वो कहाँ पे? नीचे गिरेगा पानी. That means उस water bottle में वो पानी नहीं बैठेगा. Why? क्यों नहीं बैठेगा? Now tell me the answer. क्यों नहीं बैठेगा? Water will overflow. Absolutely right. Water will fall down. Agree. But why? Now give me answer. Why will water fall down? Respond to the chat box. Why will water fall down? Why will water fall down? This is my question. Yes, absolutely right. Bottle is of 1 liter only. उस बॉटल की कैपेसिटी कितनी है? It is only 1 liter. उसमें 1 लीटर से ज्यादा पानी बैठ ही नहीं सकता है. Okay, so that is why on the water bottle it is written 1L, right? What is 1L consist? 1L means what? It is 1 liter of water. It is 1 liter of water. Okay, अगर आप 1 लीटर से ज्यादा पानी उसमें बिठाना चाहेंगे तो वो नहीं बैठेगा. Why? क्यों नहीं बैठेगा? Because the capacity of that water bottle, capacity of that water bottle is only 1 liter. Okay, so the capacity, what is capacity now exactly? This is a point now. We learned measurement of length, we learned measurement of weight, and now we are learning about measurement of capacity. Okay, measurement of capacity. Now capacity is a term which is used for the liquid things. Capacity is a term which is used for the liquid things. अब जो liquid चीजें होती है वो चाहे like the milk, water, oil, petrol, diesel, rocket, all these things are come into the capacity term. और ये जो सारी चीजें होती है, जो लिक्विड सारी चीजें होती है, इट इज सोल्ड. ये सारे चीजें क्या होते हैं? इट इज सोल्ड इन लीटर. आप देखते होंगे जब आप आपके पापा के साथ में, आपके मम्मी के साथ में जब आप पेट्रोल पंप पे जाते हो, when you visit petrol pump, that time you must have seen that petrol is 80 rupees liter, 90 rupees liter, right? आपने सुना ये सब कुछ? पेट्रोल का भाव बहुत बढ़ गया है. पेट्रोल 80 रुपए लीटर हो गया है, पेट्रोल 90 रुपए लीटर हो गया है, डीजल 70 रुपए लीटर है, रॉकेल 40 रुपए लीटर है. This way, isn't it? If you have visited the petrol pump, then you must have understood all those things there. और पेट्रोल और डीजल जो होता है वो किसमें नापा जाता है फिर? Is it measured in kilogram? कि भाई साहब मुझे 1 किलो पेट्रोल दे दो, ऐसे कहा जाता है when you visit the petrol pump? When you visit the petrol pump, that time your parents ask this way, please fill 1 kilogram petrol, please fill 2 kilogram petrol, or please fill 5 kilometer petrol. This way? Yes? No. The parent says that please fill 1 liter, 2 liter, 3 liter, 4 liter, 5 liter. This way, right? So what is liter now? What is liter? This is the main question now. हमने पढ़ा कि capacity किसके लिए इस्तेमाल किया जाता है? Capacity is a word, is a term which is used for the liquid things, right? That means water, diesel, petrol, rocket, oil, crude oil, right? Palm oil, whatever things are there. Okay, so liter is what? What is liter now? This is our main question. What is liter? Okay, what is liter now? Can you please tell me what is liter? Guess, please guess it. What is liter? See, we measure the length in centimeter, meter and kilometer. We measured the weight in grams and kilograms. Now we are measuring the capacity of the container. We are measuring the capacity of the container in liter. Okay, we are measuring the capacity of the container in liter. That is 1 liter, 2 liter, 3 liter, 4 liter. So what is liter? Dear children, liter is the standard units of measuring capacity. Okay, so liter is the standard units of measuring capacity. The way we learned that the standard units of measuring length, that is centimeter, meter and kilometer. We learned standard units of measuring weight, that is grams and kilograms. The same way, the standard unit of measuring capacity, it is liter. Okay, because every container is having their own capacity. What is water bottle here? If you see that, dear children, what is water bottle here? Water bottle क्या है? यहाँ पे water bottle is a container. What is water bottle, children? Water bottle is a container which is used to fill the water. Okay, water bottle क्या है? यहाँ पे container है और इस water bottle का, इस container का capacity कितना है? It is 1 liter only. Okay, so that is why when we buy Bisleri water bottles from the shop, that time we must see that it is written 1 liter. Okay. Now next, please be attentive here, children. Now, please see this now. अभी तो इसे तो आपने रोजाना जिंदगी में देखा होगा. What is this now in front of you, children? Can you please tell me? What is this in front of you now? Yes. Okay. Yes. Please respond to the chat box, everyone. To measure the milk. Measuring jugs. Okay, somebody has written measuring jugs. Milkman uses this. Okay. Good. So what is this? This is the milk measuring device. Okay. Milkman comes home and he measures the milk. He measures the milk with the help of this device. Isn't it? He measures the milk with the help of this instrument. Right. So this is the milk jar, we can say. If you see this milk jar, they have a particular capacity. आप देखेंगे यहाँ पे कोई बड़ा है तो कोई छोटा है, राइट? कोई बड़ा है कोई छोटा है. तो अगर इन बड़े छोटे की अगर बात की जाए, इन दोनों जो मैंने सर्कल किए हैं वहां पे, I have circled over it. If you observe them very carefully, what can you tell me about that? जो बड़ा वाला है और जो छोटा वाला मैंने सर्कल किया है, क्या कहेंगे आप उसके बारे में? अगर मिल्कमैन ये दोनों डिवाइस से अगर आपको मिल्क देता है, राइट, तो क्या उसमें कुछ फर्क रहेगा? जो मिल्क आपको मिलने वाला है, जो दूध आपको मिलने वाला है, उसके क्वांटिटी में फर्क रहेगा? यस और नो? यस, उसके क्वांटिटी में फर्क रहेगा? यस, एब्सोल्युटली राइट चिल्ड्रन. इन दोनों की क्वांटिटी में क्या रहेगा? फर्क रहेगा. अगर मिल्कमैन हमें इस डिवाइस से अगर मिल्क देता है, if the milkman gives us milk from this device, then that will be very less, right? If he uses this, तो हमारा जो बर्तन है वो क्या हो जाएगा? भर जाएगा, right? That means there is difference in between the capacity of all these jars. There is a difference in the capacity of all these milk measuring devices. That's why milkman uses different devices to give us the milk. अगर मिल्कमैन को कोई बोलता है भाई हमें 1 लीटर मिल्क दो, 1 लीटर दूध दो, then he will be using this bigger measuring device. अगर कोई बोलता है भाई आधा लीटर दो, then he will be using this, right? कोई बोलता है भाई हमें 100 मिलीलीटर दो, then he will be using this, right? That means there is a hierarchy of this into these devices. Accordingly, one by one it goes increasing. The capacity of the all these devices goes increasing from right to left, this way. Okay, from right to left, the capacity of these devices goes increasing, right? So if you see here, this is smaller, उससे थोड़ा बड़ा ये वाला है, राइट? इससे बड़ा ये वाला है, इससे बड़ा ये वाला है, और इससे बड़ा ये वाला है. बड़ा means what is bada? What is big here? Here we are talking about capacity, right? The capacity of these devices, of these measuring devices, is keep on increasing from right to left, right? Now I'll be telling you what is the exactly capacity of all these measuring devices. Now please be attentive here. Now see this now. Okay, so now this is also used by the milkmen. Okay, कुछ फर्क नहीं है, जो पहले दिखा है वही यही भी है, बट फर्क यह है इसमें, यहाँ पे I have written the numbers on the jars, numbers on these measuring devices. So what are the numbers? If you see that on this first, it is written 1000 milli or 1000 ml. Okay, then what is the meaning of 1000 ml? That means 1000 milliliter. 1000 ml means what? It is 1000 milliliter. If you see here, it is written 500 ml. Okay, please see here. Here is written 500 ml. What is the meaning of that 500 ml? The capacity of that jar, the capacity of that measuring device is 500 ml. Now, what is 500 ml? It is 500 milliliter. It is 500 milliliter. The capacity of this, it is 1000 milliliter. Okay, मतलब इसमें ये जो पहला वाला जो है, ये वाला, इसमें कितना दूध बैठ सकता है? It is 1000 milliliter. And 1000 milliliter means what? 1000 milliliter is called 1 liter. 1000 milliliter means 1 liter. So this is the device of capacity consists 1 liter. Okay, this is the 1 liter capacity jar. This is half liter capacity jar. Okay, so you must have come to know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Half liter is equal to 500 milliliter. Okay, now you can see more jars here. This is more mug here, 200 ml. That means the capacity of that measuring device, milk measuring device, it is 200 milliliter. Okay, 200 milliliter. And at last, if you zoom it, अगर आप zoom करके देखेंगे तो आपको पता चलेगा that it has the capacity of 100 ml. उस पर नंबर लिखा हुआ है, it is 100. That means it is the smallest measuring device of measuring milk, right? So 100 ml. Then अगर उससे बड़ा अगर हम देखना चाहें, it is 200 ml. Then आप अगर 300 ml लेना चाहते तो you can take it. उसके लिए वो मिल्कमैन क्या करेगा, he will be using one time this device and one time this device. ओके तो एक बार ये 200 ml हो गया और दूसरे बार का ये 100 ml हो गया, तो कितना हो गया आपका, that will be 300 ml, that will be 300 milliliter. ओके अगर आप आधा लीटर लेना चाहते हो, आधा लीटर, तो आप क्या करेंगे, मिल्कमैन क्या करेगा वहां पे, he will be using this measuring device. आधा लीटर, it is 500 milliliter, 500 ml. If you want 1 liter, then he will be using this 1000 milliliter mug. That is 1 liter. Yes, children, are you understanding what I'm telling you? Please respond to the chat box if you are understanding. If you all are understanding, then please type Y in the chat box. We are learning about measurement of capacity. Capacity means what? The capacity is a quantity of a container. Capacity is a quantity of a container which holds liquid things. Please respond to the chat box. Okay, Dhruv is saying that I have a doubt. Dhruv, please ask your doubt, beta. What is your doubt? Please ask me through the chat box. I said that capacity is what? Capacity is a quantity. Capacity क्या है? It's a quantity of holding liquid things of the container. कैपेसिटी क्या होता है? अलग अलग कंटेनर्स होते हैं हमारे घर में, जैसे बर्तन होते हैं, पानी भरने के बर्तन होते हैं, राइट? तो उसमें अलग अलग क्वांटिटी में पानी भरता है. कोई बड़े बर्तन होते हैं, कोई छोटे होते हैं. अगर आप ग्लास लेंगे, अगर आप बड़ा जार लेंगे, तो हर एक में क्या होता है, चम्मच लेंगे तो every vessel, every container holds the amount of water according to its capacity. Okay, अभी अगर छोटा चमचा आप लेंगे तो उसमें बहुत कम पानी बैठेगा in compare with the glass, right? तो ग्लास और छोटा चमचा, इन दोनों की कैपेसिटी क्या है, डिफरेंट है. ग्लास और चमचे में, कैन यू टेल मी, ग्लास और चमचे में, ग्लास और स्पून, इन दोनों में किसकी कैपेसिटी ज्यादा रहेगी? प्लीज रिस्पॉन्ड टू द चैट बॉक्स टू मी. One side is a spoon and another side is a glass. So can you tell me whose capacity is more in between these two vessels? Okay, so Sanskriti said glass. I want response from everyone. Whose capacity will be more? Whether it's answer glass or spoon. किसकी कैपेसिटी ज्यादा रहेगी? Absolutely right, children. ये जो स्पून है उसकी कैपेसिटी बहुत छोटी है in compare with the glass, right? Now take one side glass and take another side big mug or big jar. One side glass now and another side is big jar now. So whose capacity will be less? Whose capacity will be less in between these two vessels? One side is big jar and another side is glass. So kiski, I said, listen the question, whose capacity will be less in between these two things, in between these two containers? One side is big jar and another side is glass. So whose capacity will be less? Whose capacity will be less? किसकी capacity छोटी रहेगी? Yes, absolutely. So the glass capacity will be less. The capacity of glass will be less. Absolutely right, children. So I said that what is capacity exactly? Capacity is a quantity. What is capacity? Capacity is a quantity of a container which holds water. हर एक कंटेनर का लिक्विड थिंग पकड़ने का क्या रहता है, अलग अलग कैपेसिटी रहता है. इट होल्ड्स द डिफरेंट अमाउंट ऑफ water, the different amount of milk according to their capacity. Okay, So dear children, we have come to the end of this